In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord music bot like GrootBot using Replit. We'll walk through three clear parts: setting up a Discord bot application, coding the core music features, and hosting it on Replit so it runs reliably. By the end, you'll have the foundation of a music bot you can invite to your own server. First, set up your Discord bot application. Head to the Discord developer portal and create a new application, then add a bot to it. Treat the bot token like a password and never paste it into your code. You'll store it securely as an environment variable later. If your commands need member or presence data, enable the relevant intents. Generate an invite link using the OAuth 2 settings with the bot and application command scopes. Give it the permissions it needs to connect, speak, and read messages, and invite it to your server for testing. Next, code the music functionality. Choose a language you're comfortable with. JavaScript with Discord.js is a common path, along with the official voice libraries. Set up a simple command system, ideally with slash commands such as play, pause, resume, skip, queue, and stop. Your play command should join the caller's voice channel, create or use a queue for that guild, and stream audio from a valid source you're allowed to use. Handle the basics. Connect to voice, start playback, move to the next track when one finishes, and clean up when the queue is empty. Add helpful responses so users know what's happening, like confirming the track title and current position in the queue. Build in error handling for cases like the bot lacking permissions, the user not being in a voice channel, invalid links, or network hiccups. Store your bot token in an environment variable and load it at runtime rather than hard coding it. While testing, keep logs readable so you can quickly diagnose issues like voice connection failures or command registration problems. Finally, host it on Replit. Create a new repo with the appropriate runtime, add your project files, and set the run command so it starts your bot. Open the secrets or environment panel in Replit and add your bot token there. When you run the project, watch the console for a successful login message and test your commands in your server. Free instances may sleep, so consider an always-on option if you want continuous uptime. Keep your code lightweight and restart gracefully after errors so the bot remains responsive over time. That's the full process. Set it up, code it, code it, and host it. Happy building.